Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Megan. I do sewing, embroidery, and other crafty things, and in today's video, we will be getting into the other crafty things part of my channel. So today we will be talking all about screen print transfers and what exactly they are. So the main difference between screen print transfers and sublimation is that for screen print transfers, you can transfer them onto cotton fabric, polyester. It doesn't really matter, versus sublimation where you would have to strictly do them on mainly polyester fabrics. So that's one really great thing about it. If you want to expand your business, this is a great way to grow your business, make really quick items, because right now that's what I really want to do for my businesses, so I can really save as much time as I can, and I can still create very cute items. So this is one item that we will be making in today's video. Then we also have another cute pumpkin design that we will also be making. Both of these vendors that I purchased it from, I found through TikTok. Overall, very, very easy process. I'll go over the materials that you'll need to create this project, but for the most part, you just mainly need to heat press the shirt and the transfer paper. So how it works is that it's on transfer release paper. So once you heat it onto the garment, it will automatically transfer the design from the paper onto the garment. So that's kind of how it works with screen print transfers. Now you may be wondering where exactly can I find these, and what are the prices, and what are the best deals? I recommend that you look through TikTok. That's how I found the people that I found. I found Classy Crafts, I believe it is, and Tease Me. So those are the two vendors that I use today in today's video. And I also even show you some screen print transfers that you can even use for kids' designs. But overall, it came out very cute. I'm very pleased with how both designs came out. Very easy. All you do is pretty much just press it onto the shirt, and that's all you have to do. And then it's ready to go and ready to ship out. So if you want to create really quick items to add to your Etsy shop and grow and expand your business, then definitely stay tuned for the rest of this video, because it's very, very easy. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, we will be making two designs. This is one of them. Again, very easy to make, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so I know you all are probably wondering, what exactly is screen print transfers and how to use them for your small business? Well, one thing that's great about them is they come in a heat transfer paper. So you can use screen print transfers for any type of fabric type. So if you guys know anything about sublimation, for sublimation it has to be mainly polyester, but for screen print transfers you can use any type of fabric, either cotton or polyester. It will show up great either way. So this is one of the designs that we will be doing. So before I get into that, let's talk about the garments that I've purchased. So this one is a nice orange shirt. It's Gildan heavy duty cotton, heavy blend cotton. It's a size medium, which is perfect for me. So I'm very glad that I got these. So I got one in orange. This is the pumpkin design we will be doing. And then I kind of got like a light gray, I guess, fabric, or a light gray shirt. So this is a light gray shirt, also from Gildan. Very cute. This is a sort of sweet, sort of spooky design that I will be pressing onto this shirt. Something else you will need for this project is parchment paper. So the purpose of this is to put this in between both the front layer and the back layer to prevent bleeding from the transfer. I've never done heat transfers before, so I don't know if this step is super necessary, but I just want to be extra cautious and make sure that, you know, I don't mess it up. So you'll need this. And then of course, the screen print transfers. So here's one that we will be doing today. Sort of sweet, sort of spooky. It's actually reversed, but in my camera's reversed, so that's kind of why it looks like it will show up right. So I got this one from Classy Crafts. Both of their other side. So one thing that's great is that they have a thank you card with information about how to do sublimation and screen prints. These vendors that I found were through TikTok, so there's lots of people selling screen print transfers. So it's a really great, easy way to really grow your business and make items quick, ship them out, and then hopefully get some 5-star reviews. So like I said, it includes the screen print transfer instructions. It also includes a barcode, I guess, to join their text club, so that's that. And it also includes pressing instructions and what exactly to heat your heat press to. Which brings me into my next point, which of course you will need a heat press. You can't use a iron or a Cricut press. It just won't come out right. It won't transfer over properly, so you need a heat press. So for my designs here, what I'm gonna do is, first it says to press your garment for 5 seconds and set your temperature to 355 degrees, which I already have mine pulled up for. Set the pressure to heavy, and then you press for 7 to 10 seconds. Now my heat press is all ready to go and set up, so here's one design that I'm doing. Again, it is from Classy Crafts. I'll include both of the vendors that I'm using in today's video in the description below. And the next one that we will be doing is a super cute pumpkin design. Again, it is always in reverse, but since my camera is in reverse, it looks like it turns out the way it's supposed to. So I got this one from Tease Me. Again, found both of these vendors through TikTok, so there is their contact information. Again, pressing instructions and all that stuff. And one thing that's really great about Tease Me is not only do they have screen prints for adults, they also have some for kids. So here's one that I also purchased. So it's Boo Crew. I thought this would be really cute for kids, just kind of for maybe trick-or-treating, maybe even tote bags for trick-or-treating. I think this design would be super cute for, so then you can kind of compare and contrast the sizes. So probably really small, you know, shirts or anything probably won't fit this that great. So probably I would say like 3T and above, maybe even 4T and above for these. So, but like I said, I will include both vendors in the description below. So that is my spiel on screen print transfer. So now let us go to the heat press and start pressing. All right, so I think I'm gonna start off with the sort of sweet, sort of spooky design, which again, I'm doing on this light gray sweatshirt or crew neck. So the instructions are first to press your garment for 5 seconds. This will make it ready to be pressed with the heat transfer or the screen print transfer. Ow, God. Try not to burn yourself in the process, but I think I'm okay. I like just barely touched it. So just slowly maneuver. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Try not to touch the top of your heat press here like I just did. All right, so that feels pretty good. So I'm going to give it a press for 5 seconds. Pop it up. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my parchment paper and put it between these layers. And I usually like to, when it comes to my screen print transfers, I like to put the transfer about 2 inches from the top of the collar. I won't be using any exact measurements today. I'm just gonna kind of slowly manipulate it up here. There we go. Move it over so it's nice and centered. Getting rid of any random wrinkles. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to put my parchment paper in between both layers to prevent bleeding. So just lift up your garment, put it right in the middle. You can lift it up, move it around and feel it, making sure that it's exactly where it needs to be, which it is. So then I'm going to move up my design or my shirt. Oh my God, I keep touching it. Try not to burn yourself. And now I know that this paper is at the bottom towards the top, so that's all good to go. So now what you're going to want to do is get your screen print transfer, which again, it is in reverse, kind of the same way if you have a Cricut and use vinyl, heat transfer vinyl. So I'm just going to kind of place it about 2 inches down. Make sure it looks centered, which it looks pretty centered. Yeah, that looks perfect. And then according to the instructions, oh, that's sublimation. Set pressure to heavy and then press for 7 to 10 seconds. So let us do our first screen print transfer. Which I actually might need to move up a little bit higher to get it all. Now we can press it. So I'm going to do it for the full 10 seconds. Pull it up, and then you can peel it right away. Ooh, that's so cute. I love how it turned out, and it's kind of like distressed looking as well. So you can take that off. Get the paper out. And here's our first design. Very pleased with it. I like the placement of it as well. It's right above, kind of by the neckline, so I'm very pleased with this one. Very, very happy. So now let us press our next design. And it looks perfectly centered, so very happy. All right. So grab your next shirt. Again, we're gonna go through the same process. Going to put the shirt towards the top. There you go. And you don't need to put the parchment paper in right away. I just kind of give it a good press first, and then I include the parchment paper. So that looks good. There's a line in the middle, so it tells me that it's exactly centered. I'm going to press for another 5 seconds. There you go. Looks great. Get your parchment paper out and put it in the middle. Make sure it's nice and flat and exactly where it needs to be. It's all nicely centered. Then grab your next transfer. So like I said, we'll be doing this very cute pumpkin. Let's see. That looks pretty good. Looks nice and centered. Now again, press for between 7 to 10 seconds. Which again, I'm doing the whole 10 seconds, and it has to be heavy pressure as well for it to transfer onto the shirt. Then peel right away. Ooh, spooky. Bringing everything with me here. Take out your parchment paper. Luckily we can reuse that every time. And here it is. So I'm going to try it on, both on for you guys so we can all see what it looks like. So here's our next design. I love how this one turned out as well. Here's a close-up, sort of sweet, sort of spooky. These are so quick to make, especially if you buy from a vendor. One thing I recommend is Tuesdays is usually Transfer Tuesdays, and that's usually when people have a good amount of discounts on these transfers. So I think I got these for like $1 each, like the transfers itself, which I think is a really great price. So just something to keep in mind. But yeah, this is overall really great, easy way to expand and grow your business, especially if you're already in apparel like I am. This is a really great way to grow your clientele. Because right now I mainly make kids items, so I think this is a super cute, easy way to make adult items as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you all as well, just to learn how to use screen print transfers, and it really is very easy. I have not tried sublimation yet, but I'm very excited that I have a new craft now to use and hopefully expand and grow my business and my clientele. So like I said, also, is you can also even buy these for kids' clothes. So that's kind of what I'm also planning on doing to expand and grow my kids' Etsy shop. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I am planning on releasing some more fall-themed videos. If you were in my recent live, you would have seen that I have a knitting machine. So that's the next video that I'm planning on recording, maybe today, who knows. So to show you guys how to use that. My main goal right now is to find items that are quick and easy to make. This is definitely one of them. Look how cute it turned out. So all you really have to worry about is, well, in order to do this, you need a heat press, and then you need the items to press it onto, and then of course the screen print transfers. So like I said, I found various people through TikTok, and I always look out on Tuesdays because that's when Transfer Tuesdays are. They usually also have sublimation transfers as well. So if you're like me and you don't have a sublimation printer, that might be a good option for you as well. But I really like this because I can just press it onto cotton fabric and it looks absolutely perfect. So very pleased with both. They kind of have a little distressed look going on, so I'm very pleased with it. So anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.